Do you make decent money but still feel broke by the end of every month? You're not alone. Millions feel stuck in the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. But here's the good news. There is a way out. In this video, I'll show you 7 practical, proven steps to gain control of your money and build real freedom. Step 1. Track every dollar. You can't change what you don't see. Most people don't know where their money goes. Netflix, takeout, small purchases, it all adds up fast. Start by tracking every dollar. Use a simple app or a notebook. What matters is awareness. Clarity is the foundation of change. Step 2. Budget with purpose. Budgeting isn't about restrictions, it's about priorities. Try a simple system like the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings or debt. If that's too much, just focus on this. Spend less than you earn. Give every dollar a job. That's how you build control. Step 3. Build a mini emergency fund. Emergencies are part of life. Car breaks down, medical bill, job delay. Start with $500 to $1,000. It doesn't need to be big, just enough to avoid panic. Keep it somewhere safe and accessible. This small buffer prevents big problems. Step 4. Cut lifestyle creep. Got a raise? Great. But if your expenses grow with your income, you're still stuck. This is lifestyle creep, and it's sneaky. Instead of upgrading your car or wardrobe, upgrade your savings. Upgrade your peace of mind. Step 5. Start a side hustle. You don't have to quit your job, but extra income can change the game. Start small. Stay consistent. Here are 3 beginner-friendly ideas. Freelance writing or design. Selling digital products, templates, ebooks, art, local services, tutoring, deliveries, social media help. Extra income equals extra freedom. Step 6. Learn to grow your money. Once you're saving, put your money to work. Look into simple ways to grow wealth over time. Business partnerships, real estate, assets that appreciate in value. Start slow. Stay curious. Make informed decisions. Wealth grows with patience and planning. Step 7. Audit your circle. Who you spend time with shapes your mindset and your bank account. Friends who mock your goals or pressure you to overspend. They're not helping. Surround yourself with people who build, save, and grow. The right circle makes all the difference. Final motivation. You don't need to be rich to start. You just need to start smart. Track your money. Give it purpose. Stay consistent. You've got this, and I'm here to help. If this helped you, hit that like button. Subscribe to RapidRise Finance for weekly videos like this and daily motivational shorts. Let's rise together, one smart step at a time.